How to fix Discord mobile notifications not showing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Then, in Settings, scroll down till you find Notifications. Click on Notifications. After that, make sure you turn on Get Notifications within Discord. Also turn on Notify on every new messages and conversation, and get notifications when your friends stream. Then go to Get Notifications outside of Discord. Click on Notifications, and then turn on all Discord notifications. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Discord mobile notifications not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.